Phantom is a digital wallet tailored for Solana and Ethereum. It is a digital wallet reimagined for DeFi, making it safe and easy to store, send, receive, collect, and swap tokens on the Solana blockchain. Phantom is designed and built for the Solana ecosystem, enabling users to interact with Solana-compatible dApps such as NFT Marketplace, Magic Eden, and DeFi protocol Raydium. All right, to get started, of course, we need to download Phantom Wallet. So how do we do this? There are 3 ways to do this. The first way is through using your computer or your Mac or even your laptop via visiting phantom.app on your browser and then selecting your browser that you're using as your way of using the Phantom Wallet app on your computer. Now, the alternative means of doing this, and maybe the easier ones depending on your preference, is using your mobile device. So if you have an Android phone, you need to go to download the app on the Google Play Store. Likewise, if you have an iPhone, you need to go to the Apple App Store and download the Phantom Wallet app on your iPhone using that method. Now, once you've done this, you need to follow the instructions on the browser's extension. At least on our example, we're using the browser extension store to add the Phantom Wallet extension. Then after that, always download the official extension or mobile app directly from the phantom.app webpage just to be safe, right? So after that, we go on to the next step. Okay, so the next step is setting up your Phantom Wallet. The process of setting up the Phantom Wallet for both desktop and mobile devices are very, very similar. So we'll be looking at the desktop browser for now because that's what we are using at the moment. New users will begin by selecting Create New Wallet. So after this, create a secure password, which will be used to accessing the wallet, of course, on your current device that you're using, which in our case, in this video, the desktop. And then after that, click Continue. Now, this is the most important part, so listen closely. You need to set up your secret recovery phrase or seed phrase. Remember, this phrase grants full access to your Phantom Wallet and all the funds that is in it. So the only way to recover a wallet is if you pretty much save your seed phrase or your secret recovery phrase. Maybe write it down in a small notebook that you use or print it out. I don't know. Just make sure that you have it on hand just in case you need to do a recovery. Once you are done, 3, 2, 1. Once you are done backing up the recovery phrase, the wallet is now set up. Now, you need 3, 2, 1. Once you are done backing up the recovery phrase, the wallet is now set up. Now, to start using your new wallet, of course, you need to deposit some funds into it to start sending and trading all that amazing, tasty stuff. If you prefer to use Phantom Wallet as your Solana-only wallet, you can enable what's called the Solana-only mode. This will hide balances, tokens, transaction history, and NFTs that you have on Ethereum and Polygon, giving you a Solana-optimized experience. To enable this, simply select Active Networks in the settings and click on Enable Solana Only, and that's it. You can now optimize your Solana experience using Phantom Wallet. You can always come back to this setting to turn it off if you find yourself needing Phantom's multi-chain functionality. Secret recovery phrase. Just in case you've lost your seed phrase somehow, you can still view it within the wallet settings afterwards, but make sure not to be relying on this. Click on the hamburger icon or 3 lines to show more options. Then select Settings and click on Account 1 of the name you have set for your wallet and click on Show Secret Phrase. Simply type your password and click Next, and Phantom will display your wallet's secret recovery phrase. Keep in mind that if you have lost access to both your wallet password and your recovery phrase, you can never recover your wallet. So make sure to write it down and keep it safe. You know, maybe save it in a secret stash just to make sure that it's never lost or it's never stolen. Then you can recover an existing wallet by clicking on I already have a wallet. Afterwards, enter your secret recovery phrase and set up a new secure password. It's also worth mentioning that Phantom allows you to create and import multiple accounts and wallets. This gives you the convenience of managing multiple wallets multiple wallet addresses all within one application, which is pretty convenient if you're into crypto and trading. So how do you deposit funds? You can do this either by purchasing crypto directly from the wallet with its integrations with third-party providers, or transferring it from another wallet or CEX account. So to purchase crypto directly through the wallet, click the buy button on the wallet and select the tokens and the amount that you want to buy. After that, choose an on-ramp provider to complete your purchase, like MoonPay, Coinbase, etc. For that, log in or create an account to finalize your purchase. Once you're done, you should be receiving your newly bought crypto in your wallet in no time. Transfer funds from another wallet or exchange, click on the deposit button. You will then want to search for Sol, Matic, or ETH and select the token. This action will display the deposit address and its corresponding QR code. After that, there is also a copy button to easily copy the address to wherever you're sending these funds to, whether another wallet or from a CEX. How to send funds. Send your tokens from your wallet. You will first need to copy the receiving wallet address. Then, click on Send on Phantom and search for the token you want to send. In Phantom, you can differentiate tokens available on multiple chains by their native token icon. You need to make note that native tokens like ETH, Sol, and Matic will not have token icons pinned to them. Next, paste the address you have copied, and then enter the amount of the token you wish to transfer, and then click Next. You have to remember to verify the token amount and double check the address and network before you proceed. After that, once you are done, click Send to execute the transaction, and you will receive confirmation once the transaction has been completed. You may also check on the transaction progress directly on the blockchain by clicking on View Transaction. Okay, so now that we have given you the rundown on the basics on how to use Phantom Wallet for Solana, I would like to show you just the general scheme of things when it comes to what you see here again in general as a Visage. Again, let's review what we've seen so far. You have Receive, where you can just receive money via using a QR code or copying your address. After that, let's close this. You have Send, where you send. Swap, where you swap tokens from other blockchains. And then Buy, where you buy your crypto, of course, right? And again, the Get Started option is here for you when you're beginning, even when you're not, a newbie. But this is just so convenient that you can just click on Buy Crypto and it's just here, right? And you transfer crypto, it's just here, like what I said. And then you scroll down again. This is going to be your tokens list, right? So after that, you're going to see your main menu on the bottom of the screen, right? This is your account. This is going to be collectibles. This is your transfer, trading cryptocurrency from each other. This is going to be your recent activity. And the last icon on the bottom right corner of the screen is going to be just everything. So apps, tokens, collection, quests, and so on and so forth. And you can see the trending here when it comes to crypto. So if you click this, you can open, you can buy more using Jupiter, different types of content. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.